You should close your Etsy shop over Christmas. Here are some of those reasons why. Angry customers. This time of year is where the biggest nightmare customers are. People who've left things to the last moment and urgently need the best, most custom gift in the whole world right now. And if they pay you just a little extra, you can make it be more than 30 hours in the day, or they can skip to the front of your other customers who purchased a month ago and have been waiting patiently. Or there's them reasonable customers who turn angry. Of course, they totally realise there's no way at all that their item will be here by Christmas. They're happy to wait until sometime in January for their item. Then the constant messaging starts on Boxing Day, that's the 26th of December, demanding to know how much longer they're going to have to wait. Unreliable shipping. Postal services get backed up at this time of the year with high demand, unpredictable weather, illnesses, and poorly trained seasonal staff. There's always delays somewhere in the world, and yeah, sure. It's not your fault. It's not your fault that it took longer to get there than estimated, but you're the one your customers will keep messaging because Timmy's Christmas has been ruined without those press on nails. Unreasonable expectations for replying to messages. Yep, customers will message you on Christmas Day and get angry you don't reply within 15 minutes, even if you're in a sherry and turkey induced coma. The few sales that you may have been going to get were probably not going to turn into repeat customers because of all the things before. Getting off the grind. Creator burnout is really a thing. If you're thinking about and working on your shop, your SEO, your items, your social media, your photographs, all of the time, it's easy to run out of motivation. A couple of weeks off can actually refresh and inspire you, so you come back in January more inspired and more productive than ever. Everything is slowing down anyway. The peak of sales is gone. Less people are checking out social media, so your efforts will be producing less results. I do think it's best for most people to take a break, but there are some really good reasons not to close your Etsy shop over Christmas. Check out this video to see why, and let me know if I forgot any.